Hello friends, this is Rosmi Ranjan Patnaik and I am welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. So today's topic is digestion in grass eating animals. So please वीडियो को आप लास्ट तक देखिए क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारी ऐसी जानकारी हैं जो कि आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. So let's start the video. This is a herbivore animal or a grass eating animal. Now, this is a cow. Now, first we know the organs of the digestive system. This pipe is known as oesophagus. It connects with the rumen. After that, this organ is small intestine and this is anus. So, when the cow eats grass, it chew it for some time. Means it partially chew the food. After that, it transfers this food through oesophagus to the rumen. In the rumen, some cellulose eating bacteria are present that decompose the cellulose that present in the grass. After that, it again transfer the food to the mouth of the cow. Then the cow chew it properly and send this food to the small intestine through the oesophagus pipe. The oesophagus pipe has two openings, one to the rumen and other one is the small intestine. उसका दो ओपनिंग है. जो एक है फर्स्ट वाला वो रूमेन को जाता है और दूसरे वाला स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन को जाता है. सो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में द फूड इज properly digested and some energy comes out of it, and the other part of or extracted food comes out through anus. Now, the herbivore animals such as cow, buffalo, etc. eat grasses. These animals quickly swallow the grass and store it in a part of the stomach called rumen. So, these animals quickly swallow the grass and store it in the part of the stomach called rumen. I will show you where is the rumen is. The food is not chewed completely. Rumen possesses cellulose digesting bacteria which break down the food by fermentation. So, in that rumen, some cellulose digesting bacteria were present which break down the food by the process of fermentation. So, fermentation is a process in which the food is the complex food is the complex food is broken down into the smaller substance and it produces some energy. Now, the partially digested food or grass present in the rumen of the cow is called the cud, and when this cud again goes to the mouth is called chewing of cud. It is a famous question, chewing of cud. Now the cud is brought back into the mouth of the cow from the rumen into small lumps and animals chew it again. In this process is called chewing of cud. This process is called chewing of cud. When this cud is thoroughly chewed in the mouth of the cow, it swallowed again, and this time the chewing cord does not go back to rumen. This time the cord does not go back to rumen but enter into the other compartment of cow's stomach, and then into the small intestine. So मैंने आपको पहले ही इसको समझा दिया था कि जो ओइसोफागस है उसका दो ओपनिंग है, एक र्यूमेन में जाता है और दूसरा वाला स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर जाता है. ये है र्यूमेन और ये है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. For complete digestion and absorption of food. In the small intestine, the digestion process is completed and absorption of food is started. Now, the cellulose digesting bacteria are not present in the body of human being. That's why human being and other carnivores cannot digest cellulose present in the food item. So, it is a very important point that cellulose digesting bacteria is not present in the human being. It is only present in the herbivorous animal, not in the other carnivorous animal nor human being. So, they cannot digest the cellulose present in the plant food. Animals like horses, rabbit, etc. have large sac-like structure called caecum between the oesophagus and the small intestine. So, in the horse and rabbit, there is a other structure, a large sac-like structure called caecum between oesophagus and small intestine. The cellulose of food digested there and by the action of certain bacteria. So, in that large sac, which is known as caecum, present between oesophagus and small intestine, the cellulose of the food digested there with the help of the bacteria, digestive bacteria. So with this video is over. So I hope this video will be helpful for you in your coming examination. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.